Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing and showcasing the best 3D printer. 3D printing technology has come a long way, and these printers offer incredible features and performance. Whether you're a hobbyist, an artist, or an engineer, these printers are sure to meet your needs. So, let's get started with our top picks. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of the latest in tech and much more. Kicking off our list is the XYZ Printing DaVinci 1.0 Pro. This printer offers a great balance between affordability and performance. With its large build volume and compatibility with various materials, including PLA, ABS, and more, the DaVinci 1.0 Pro allows you to bring your ideas to life with ease. It also features a user-friendly interface and supports wireless connectivity, making it a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Next up, we have the Formlabs Form 3. This printer is renowned for its precision and high-quality prints. With its advanced resin-based printing technology, the Form 3 can create intricate and detailed objects with stunning accuracy. It offers a large print volume, a user-friendly interface, and supports a wide range of materials. Whether you're a jewelry designer or a dental professional, the Form 3 is a powerful tool that will elevate your creations to the next level. Moving on, we have the Prusa i3MK3S Plus. This printer is highly regarded in the 3D printing community for its reliability and versatility. It features a sturdy frame, a large build volume, and a range of smart features that ensure consistent and high-quality prints. The Prusa i3MK3S Plus also offers a removable magnetic bed, making it easier to remove finished prints. With its open-source nature, this printer allows for customization and upgrades, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. And there you have it, our top picks for the best 3D printers of 2023. Whether you're a beginner looking for an affordable option, a professional seeking precision and detail, or an enthusiast who enjoys customization, there's a printer on this list for you. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your search for the perfect 3D printer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy printing! Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of the latest in tech and much more.